কে গ্রেপ্তার হচ্ছে না হচ্ছে দেখবার মতো সময় আমাদের কাছে নেই, চিন্তা করার অবকাশ নেই। এসবের কোনো প্রভাব এই মুহূর্তে পশ্চিমবঙ্গের জনগণে নেই। এই চোর পুলিশ খেলা অনেকদিন ধরে চলছে, মানুষ এবার স্থির করে নিয়েছে চোর তারাই দাঁড়াবে। সেই জন্য এবারে নির্বাচনটা হয়ে গেছে জনতা ভার্সেস মমতা।
অভিষেক বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় সূত্র বলছেন 10 দিন আগে ক্ষমতা দেখানোর চেষ্টা করছে, এভাবে বিজেপি ক্ষমতা নেয়।
সব প্রশ্নের উত্তর দেওয়ার প্রয়োজন মনে করছি।
ED arrested the co-founder of the IPAC. Your take on this?
People are not interested about it. They don't have any time to spare on these ED CBI activities. They have already applied into their mind that under any circumstances they will oust Trinamool Congress, and thereafter the people will take their own decision, and the government will compel to do that. So for West Bengal new government in waiting is concerned, the formation of the new government will take up all this issue.
So PM Modi has said that the parliament on the verge of history, that the parliament is ready to take up this women reservation bill.
Very oftenly Congress has been saying this thing so long, but unfortunately Congress never fulfilled its dream of commitment. Congress used to dream and BJP is expected to fulfill it. I think it will be a historical move, and there will be a consensus among all political parties on this special issue.
Mamata Banerjee has said that she is fighting alone for the people, where 19 states and the center are united against her. Mamata Banerjee said that she is fighting alone for the people, for the sake of the people, whereas center and the 19 states are together against her.
She has already left Rajbharna, so that what she is behaving, it is not expected from a responsible chief minister or from a veteran politician, so that the people all over the country, entire Bengali diaspora, right now united, just to build up the confidence and remain into their glorious past. All the Bengalis who are living outside West Bengal, they are also coming, including the migrant laborers. Already the information I have got, the 73 special trains have been booked and they are coming to this place.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday said that BJP will not allow to build Babri Masjid in Bengal if voted to power. Amit Shah said that BJP will not allow to build Babri Masjid in Bengal if voted to power.
Radicalization on West Bengal. The infiltration has already been changed. The entire demographic design of this country, and using West Bengal's soil, the demography of Bananchal and Shimanchal have been also changed. So that this kind of radicalized ideas should be thrown out, should be eradicated from our society.
Bihar will get the new CM today. Bihar will get the new CM today. Bihar will get the new CM today.
Very, very best wishes for the Bihar people. All of our Bihari guys, they will come and see what is going to be happening. But again, I have shown my all respect leader, Sri Nitish Kumar, one of the cleanest politicians in the country right now.